Have you ever thought the ocean floor could hide cities older than time itself? Off the coast of Japan lies something strange. Massive stone formations, sharp angles, and steps that look carved. Some say it's a natural rock. Others, they believe it's the ruins of a sunken city, possibly older than the pyramids. Divers claim they've seen walls, paths, and even what looks like a temple. But here's the twist. There's no solid proof, just theories and eerie underwater silence. So, is it just rocks? Or a forgotten chapter of human history? You decide. And hey, hit that share button. Someone in your friend list is about to go down a rabbit hole tonight.